25 ml water in measuring cylinder and pour in the first cup. 25 ml of water. Pour 25 ml of water in the second cup. Measure 25 ml. Using the measuring cylinder, pour it into the second cup. You have crystal powder. You can take 1 scoop of crystal powder and pour it in the first cup. Stir it well. Now add 2 drops of red color in the first cup. Mix well. One scoop of crystalline powder. In the next cup, add 2 drops of blue color. Add 2 drops of blue color. Mix it well. After 1 minute, you will have 2 different colored gels. The science behind this is absorption is the process where one thing becomes a part of another thing. The crystal powder is made of super absorbent material which absorbs all the color water. In the process, the powder becomes soft and the colored crystals are formed. Now we are mixing the 2 colors. We'll check whether we are getting any other third color. Now we are mixing the red gel and the blue gel.